Today we're going to learn how to make this beautiful rose headband. It's super simple and looks great. You can use it as a headband or a belt, or even make it into a necklace. Get all the materials ready. Take the whisper white yarn to crochet the main part. Bring the thread over and tighten the yarn loop. Start with 6 chain stitches. Wrap the hook twice around the yarn. Go back to the first stitch, and pick up the back ridge. Pass through 2 loops in sequence. 2 loops. This makes one group of treble crochet stitches. The technique is the same for what comes next. Everyone can crochet according to your desired length. I'm demonstrating with 18 groups here. Next, start with 1 chain stitch. Turn the piece over. Crochet into the large space. Work 2 single crochets. Chain 3 picket stitch. Pick up the 2 strands from the inverted V and slip stitch. Continue crocheting 2 single crochets. Chain 3 picket stitch. Finish with 2 single crochets. Repeat the same stitch pattern all the way down the row. Work the other side in the identical manner until the end. Join with a slip stitch to the first stitch. Start the tie with around 90 chains. After completing, start into the 3rd stitch from the hook, and work 5 incomplete double crochets. Work through all loops together. Chain 3 and slip stitch in the same stitch. Finally, chain 1 and then you can fasten off the yarn. Finish crocheting the other side of the tie, and that completes the main part. Take the pink yarn to crochet the flower. Start with 18 chain stitches. Chain 1 more. Work 1 double crochet into the 3rd stitch from the hook. Skip 2 stitches without working them. Crochet 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet. Continue with the technique in the parentheses. Crochet a total of 6 groups. Please complete 1 row on your own. Next, chain 1. Turn the piece over. Work into each of the following holes sequentially. Crochet 3 half double crochets, 1 single crochet. Please complete a total of 11 groups on your own. Continue with the same technique. Please complete a total of 11 groups on your own. Finally, chain 1 and you can fasten off the yarn. Roll up the rows and sew, or glue it together. Switch to green yarn to crochet the leaves. Bring the yarn directly from the bottom of the rows to start crocheting. Start with 6 chain stitches. Work 1 single crochet into the 2nd chain from the hook. 1 half double crochet. Match with 1 half double crochet. 1 single crochet. Pick up the adjacent stitch and slip stitch. Crochet another piece on the other side using the same technique. That's it, the rose is now completed. Crochet as many roses as you want. Finally, attach them to the main part. An ultra simple and beautiful rose headband is now done. If you like it, don't hesitate to make one right away.